Hello everyone, and welcome to Tips Fix Japanese. I'm Tips Sensei, your cheerful Japanese guide and teacher. This is the Let's Write Japanese series, where we make learning fun and simple, one character at a time. In this series, you'll learn how to write Japanese the right way, from hiragana to katakana and even kanji. So, how do we write Japanese the right way? And why does stroke order even matter? Let's find out and try it together. Stroke order matters. It's easier to write, looks better, and easier to remember. Let's learn these 5 hiragana letters from the Japanese alphabet.
今日のレッスンはま、み、む、め、も、ま、み、む、め、も、
Did you nail it? If you did, awesome! Great job today! You're learning so fast! Thanks for watching Tips Fix Japanese! If you liked it, subscribe and come back for more! See you next time!